in a new Excel, now they have come up with a new formula called as a sort. Okay, how the sort works, we will check. Here I have one sample data where the department is written in a first column, names are there, and the semester wise result and average I have calculated. Now let's sort this data by the department wise, like alphabetical order, like B should be on top, M should be on a bottom. So how to do the sort? Equal to sort formula is very simple, equal to sort, open the bracket. First it is asking for the array is nothing but which data you are going to sort. Select that data, comma, then it is asking a sort index is nothing but which column you are going to sort. For example, here column I can just a number for reference, like 1, this is a column 2, index 3, index 4, 5, 6. So now we have to check that which column we are sorting. So what we can do, we can say equal to, just write it here, equal to sort. First it is asking for a array, so select a data, not to select a title here in a sort function because title also will get sorted. So just select a data which one you like to sort, comma. Now sort index is nothing but number, like a department you like to sort means we have to write as a 1. In case name to be sorted means 2, like that. So comma, next it is asking for the order, like ascending means a to z or the lowest to highest. Descending means the ulta, like highest to lowest or z to a. So I will go for the a to z, so 1 for that. Then comma, it's asking for the sort by column means like this it will sort, like sort by row means it will sort by the row wise. So I need to sort by a row, so false, close the bracket, enter. Now you can see here it's been sorted already. If you just change any of the things, like I just convert one of the BBA to the MBA, now you can check that automatically your MBA will comes here. Okay, so in case you like to rearrange that one, like I don't want to in a sort by ascending, -1 if I give, it will sort in a descending order. Okay, in case I don't want to sort department, I would like to sort name means I just go and edit the formula to the 2, so that it will sort that second one, like which column to be sorted, here name will be sorted. In case I say here 1 means order in ascending, like a come first, like z will go last. The any column you can choose, just we have to write here the number, index number, like here 6 columns are there, 1 to 6, any number you can write. Okay, this is the one way of doing a sort. The another way of doing a sort, like in case if I add some new entry, for example here I just add a entry like BBA Rajendra, like 500, 600, 550. Okay, like this if I added a data, but here it is not been get sorted. You can check here, it's not been sorted. Now there is no Rajendra has been added because the selected range here is just up to this one only, right? So how to avoid this one, what we can do before writing this one, I just delete this. I just convert this data into table. Just select the data, then control T to convert into the table, control T. Okay, now it has been converted into the table. I just go to table design here. In table name, I just give it as a like uh, department, just DEPT I have written, and hit enter in your keyboard. Now I just used a control T, I just write it here, control T for the table, okay, to convert the data into table. Now what I will do, instead of writing a C6 to H15, what I will do, I just write it here as a the table name, that is nothing but a department, When I write that like that, the advantage here is, for example, I do one new entry like BBA. Okay, you can see here BBA has been added. Now I just write it as a Rajendra. The moment I enter, the Rajendra should move to the like near to the Ramesh. You can see is moved to the near to the Ramesh or here Rajendra, because R comes first. I just RAJ, so it went up, and I just write some random number. Okay, like this. So the advantage of converting it to a table is, like, whenever you have been updated a table, your salt item also will get updated according to you have been added or deleted any entries in a table. So whenever you use a sort, either you can use a range or you can use a table. While using a table, you have to mention that name of the table. To convert into table, first select the data, control T to convert to table, go to design, here table design, and change the name, write the name and enter. Okay, this is how we can sort, we can use a sort function in Excel. The advantage here is your original data will not be changed, only the sorted data will be changed each and every time when you add or delete any entries in your original data. Okay, if you have any question, you can post in a comment. Thank you.